There's New York City. All the way across the river. I'm standing at the Statue of Liberty. It's so perfect today. It's the most gorgeous day I could ask for to be here. So, there she is, up close and personal. Back to the city again. Brooklyn. Pretty packed on this gorgeous Monday. Only got to go up to the pedestal up there. Unfortunately not all the way to the crown. Those tickets apparently are booked out 3 months in advance, so I missed the boat on that one. What a cool visit. First time at Statue of Liberty. Here's to one great road trip. And a big fat thumbs up. Yippee!